Hello! I wanted to change my compact flash disk because the hard disk lamp started to be on all the time, and seems like it was validating the drive, but it never stopped. I tried to wait several hours, but it didn't happen. I tried to format the drive, I tried many things, but it's just continued. So today I bought a new compact flash drive, 16 gigabytes, and from there what I found out was that using this program Amiga 911, you get this on a ADF file, so you can boot it from a Gothic drive. Just put it on the USB, and then I managed to get smart file system on my partitions. You can also use PFS3, but I used smart file system. So 911 solved this for me. So you can see here, it was not easy to set up, but it works. So you don't have to use an WinUIE or something like that to do this. You can do this from your Amiga. So you see the partitions, the drive, and if you're looking at the advanced options, you see now it's smart file system. So all the partitions are here. The one I created: workbench, work, and games.